So welcome to another episode on Agro Dreams. Good morning, and today I'm going to take you around my farm and let you see my morning routine. I wake up as early as 4 a.m., say my prayers, refresh, and step out by 5 a.m. to unlock the rooms. You see the staff wake up between 5 to 5:30, get themselves ready, and start the day's work. So you can stay with me as I take you through what the morning looks like here at our farms. So what we have here that looks like a church house is our feeding room. We have our feed stored here for the week. These are 50 kilo bags. So each room has the number of bags required for the room. So we have every 1,000 birds take about 2.5 bags a day. So everyone working in their room knows the number of bags they are supposed to give daily. So they pick their feed from here, send it to the various rooms, and administer the feed out to them. So that's how we go about feeding daily in the farm. For water, we have an automatic connected system. So water we just pump from the storage, it fills the tanks. So they have water available 24/7. So that's how they get. So there you can see the birds. We always change, put disinfectant to keep the birds safe and healthy. Over here we have some eggs collected because of their pecking behavior. Sometimes they crack the eggs when they are in the nest, so we pick some before the due time we pick our eggs. So that's the water, and those are the feed. So now what we do is we wait for 8:30 to pick our first morning collection. We pick eggs 4 times in a day, but sometimes we go in between those hours to make sure they don't crack them. If you have a bucket cage, I think you're safe because the eggs will roll away. But in a deep litter farm, you have to pick up your eggs occasionally. And these are water storage tanks. So some sweeping and cleaning was done earlier. So that's basically what our morning routine in a poultry farm is. We get back here by 8:30 to take our first batch of eggs for the morning. Thank you. So here we have our isolation pens. Those birds are not supposed to be here, but it's a headache warding them off. So these are isolation pens where mostly sick birds are. I think you can tell they are sick. So we bring them here to recover. In the other coop there we have some cocks where you bring in birds. Sometimes you have some meal. These are some cocks. I just love mornings at the farm. Just look at that. Beautiful sun. And here we have our egg room where we store the eggs we collect in a day. So let me take you in. Okay, so these are yesterday's eggs. The truck will be in late in the day to send them out. Easily arranged in various sizes and prices, which will be sent out to the market later in the day.